Now let's discuss some of the selection techniques that we can use in Microsoft Word to select our data quickly. And for this particular lecture, I use Lee letter. This assignment you can find with the resources of this video, so you can just click and download it. Now, the normal selection techniques that we often use is, for example, if I want to select this whole sentence, I'll just put my cursor sign on the starting and just hold the left click and then start moving towards the end of this sentence. And similarly, if you want to clear this selection, I'll just click anywhere in the document. Now let's say if you want to select the word, you will follow the same pattern, right? You will just select it like this. But if you want to select it quickly, just press double click, it will select a word. And if you press triple click, it will select the whole paragraph. So this is a quicker way, right? Now, if you want to select the text even quicker, and you don't need to just triple click on the text to select the whole text, what you can do is go in the gray area of the margin. You will notice a changed arrow sign. Normally it is like this, but if you go here, you will see this arrow sign. Then behind the text, you can just simply click once and it will select the data. And similarly, let's try this one. It will select the whole line. And if you want to keep on selecting, just hold this and just start selecting like this. So you don't need to just hold your left click and move between the whole document. This is the quickest way of selecting. Now, if you want to select a certain part of document, so what I can do is from, let's say, this point, I want to select until this point. So just click the cursor sign on here in the starting and just hold the shift key and just click here. So it will select this whole section. Now, if you want to select the certain parts and not the continuous sentence, for example, I want to select thank you and provide the best customized service. Like this, I want to select some parts of it. So what I can do is I'll just hold the control key and it's your choice. Either you can just select it manually or just double click on a particular word. So you can notice that it doesn't leave the earlier selection. It keeps on selecting the parts of the document. So when you are done, you can just change the text size or anything that you want with it. And to escape from that selection, just click anywhere on the document. And lastly, if you want to select the complete document, you can also use a short key named Control A, or you can select it from here like this. You just hold the left click and move it downwards. So these are some of the selection techniques that we can use in Word.